Hello students, this is your course on blogging and tools. In this video on monetizing the blog, we are going to talk about how you can make money through affiliate marketing campaigns. Just like placing display ads, text ads, or any other partnered marketing campaigns on your blog, affiliate links can as easily be placed on your blog, in fact more easily be placed on your blog site, and can lead to a lot of commission earning, a lot of revenue, and is a great way of monetizing your blog, and is definitely a preferred way of monetizing of blog by bloggers around the world. As you can see in the example here, any post can be turned into an affiliate post, especially if you're using a customized code to give discount, extend discount, and encourage your blog audience to avail the service or product that you're promoting in that particular post. So the example that I'm talking about here is that of the Affiliate Summit West 2020, which this particular post is all about. And this blogger, Missy Ward, is offering a 20% discount if you proceed to go to this particular site of Affiliate Summit 2020 by clicking on the link provided within the post, and you use this code of ASWMISSY20, which is the discount code specific to this particular affiliate marketer. So what is happening here is that in a way, although you as a customer may have landed up on the site to gain some kind of information, some or consume some content which is relevant to your search needs, if you find something like this and you use this particular route to buy this service or buy this product, you are generating revenue for this blogger, this site owner. And that's why it is a great way of monetization for any kind of blog, as long as the affiliate content, affiliate links, affiliate promotion is relevant to the core niche of the blog. The end customer, the target audience, the readers of your blog should not feel a disconnect between the things that you're promoting through affiliate links and the content which you're otherwise serving them. So there has to be harmony, there has to be a sync between both. To start using affiliate links and to make money through affiliate programs, you need to join an affiliate program, however. And just like for participating in ad campaigns and placing display or text ads on your blog, you need to create an account on Google AdSense. The same logic is applied for affiliate programs. You have to join affiliate programs which are relevant to your blog niche, create an account there. You need to find such relevant programs and enroll yourself there to create your own affiliate code or create your own affiliate links, which you can then place on your blog. You can make them part of your blog posts, you can place them on your header, you can provide them on the home page, wherever you want to lead your customers to, your readers to, and encourage them to use your code to make their purchase decisions. Now, most programs work with a cost per acquisition model. So just like in case of ad placement, only if your readers click on the ad is when you get paid. In this case, it goes one step beyond. It is cost per acquisition. So even if you have provided the link on your blog site, unless and until a reader uses that particular link, and perhaps if there is a code that you're providing to them for discount or making the purchase, unless and until the user make use of that code and that link to finally complete the purchase, unless and until the acquisition happens, you don't get paid. So it's a little more difficult to make money through this method. However, if over time you have managed to generate a blog audience, a readership base that is loyal to you, that is very engaged with your content, and can be influenced by what you're putting out there, then this is a great way of making money. And the commissions that you earn through it are way better than what you get from placing display ads on your blog site. Now, your blog site, your blog traffic actually has to, since they actually have to make purchase, that means that you have to carefully choose the affiliate programs to partner with, and they should be very very relevant, very very in sync with the rest of your blog offering. So it's very easy to become an affiliate partner for a relevant program, the one that you want to promote on your blog site. And the process is simple. You need to first identify the program which is more suited to you, sign up and create your account there. They ask you for some required details. Usually it's about what your blog is about, and some critical stats are sometimes asked, like what is your URL, how many readers or individual users, unique users you are able to attract on a monthly basis, what is the average traffic per day, and if you have any previous affiliate associations, you have to reveal those here also. Once you're done with the joining, you can start promoting, because almost instantly you can create your affiliate links and promotional banners, which you can then go on and place on your blog site wherever you feel they're more aesthetically appealing and can have the maximum impact on your blog reader base. And once these start converting, you start earning. In fact, there is a wide range of income possibility when you choose to monetize your blog through affiliate programs. And even if you are maybe generating 1 to 5 customers for an affiliate program partner, you may still end up making as much as $50 per sale, which is quite a big number. And as you grow your clout as an affiliate marketer through your blog, this per sale earning can actually grow as well. And you can even be recognized as an important influencer by the affiliate partner. So it takes time, and it definitely requires a large reader base, but any which ways, that is how monetization works. Once your blog content is worthy and you have spent effort and time and energy into building a loyal target audience for your blog, then when you monetize in the right manner, you will be able to earn a steady income from your blog. So that's about affiliate program for monetizing your blog. Next up, we'll talk about how you can make money through sponsored posts and reviews. Until then, thank you.